Trinity Health is home to West Michigan's first adult kidney transplant program, serving patients for over 50 years with over 3,000 successful transplants. And today we're joined by Jill Wagner from Trinity Health to discuss the importance of organ donation, the life-changing impact of kidney transplants, and how you could help save lives. Welcome, Jill. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Let's talk a little bit about this kidney program that you have at Trinity Health. It's an interesting program because it's one of the few ways you can donate organs while you're still alive.
Absolutely. Yeah, most people have heard about, donation after death, but the wait time for a deceased donor organ is about 3 to 5 years. That's a really long time for patients to wait.
Absolutely. 3 to 5 years. I'm sure, unfortunately, some pass away waiting for those kidneys.
Yeah.
For some reason, I'm an old school guy. I'm thinking of Walter Payton. I think he was a Chicago Bears player who was on that list and actually also passed away before getting that transplant. Kidney transplants, though, you have two.
Yep.
But you can do it with one. Explain that to me.
Yeah, so most people are born with 2 kidneys, but one is enough to live a long and healthy life. So living kidney donation is an option for patients who are healthy enough to donate. Okay, so what does that look like? If I'm assuming that we were just talking about this, that people who do this have a personal connection with the person that maybe they're donating to, but you're saying that that's not the case. Yeah, I mean, most people do know somebody in need when they decide to donate a kidney, but there are plenty of people in our community who just want to be good Samaritans and help somebody else out, so they become an anonymous kidney donor.
Okay, let's talk about this is obviously National Donate Life Month.
Yes.
All right, so that's why we're talking about this, bringing attention to this. Talk about the need. You said there was a long wait, 3 to 5 years to get this, and I'm assuming there are plenty of people on that list waiting for it. Yeah,
we have about 300 patients on our waiting list here at Trinity Health in Grand Rapids, but in the state of Michigan there's over 2,000 people in need of a life-saving organ, with about 85% of those needing a kidney.
Oh my goodness, so the majority of those are needing a kidney. So this is pretty prevalent, this type of donation. What does it look like for someone to donate a kidney, while they're living, before they've donated their organs after death?
Yeah, so it's a very high success, low complication rate surgery. Patients undergo extensive medical testing and evaluation to make sure that they're healthy enough to donate a kidney. After the surgery, it's about 3 to 4 weeks before you're back to normal activities. And yeah, it's enough to live a normal, healthy life.
So you're saying they're within a couple of months, if someone had made this decision, that surgery would have been done and they would have been back up and running as if nothing had ever happened besides an incision.
Yeah, and it's done laparoscopic, so just a couple small little incisions.
So very minimally invasive, that's the term. So people who are interested in donating life, people know that on their driver's license, they can check that. Is that the biggest step to do? That's the most important thing to do?
Absolutely, yeah. So April is National Donate Life Month, a time to really raise awareness about the importance of organ, eye, and tissue donation, and encourage people to register to be organ donors, but also honor and remember those who have already given that gift of life or have become organ donors.
Absolutely.
So yeah, it's really important for people to register to become an organ donor, and then also people interested in learning more about living kidney donation can visit our website, which is trinityhealthmichigan.org/kidney transplant.
Okay.
And then also it's important to help share stories. So if you ever come across someone who is telling you that they're in need of a transplant, sharing their story, just getting that word out there is really important for them in their search for a living donor.
I can only imagine the frustration that someone waiting for that must feel, knowing that there are people out there who have, hey, you got a spare, and you'll live a fine and healthy life with just one. So let's get people where they can learn more information about this. We've got some information that we can get you on your screen right there. Let Life Sing Donate Life Month. That's what we're in right now. And as you heard Jill say, trinityhealthmichigan.org/kidney transplant if it's something that you would like to get more information on. Thank you so much for the time this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. We'll be right back.